Located in Malvern, Pennsylvania, Fujirebio has for over 20 years been the trusted source of innovative solutions in clinical diagnostics.
Fujirebio makes biomarkers, which are basically blood tests, and our core competency is in the oncology area. So our products for which we have intellectual property are mainly centered around cancer testing.
Fujirebio Diagnostics' proven manufacturing process has made it a global partner of choice among leading diagnostic companies.
So over the course of a year, our 160,000 square foot facility produces about 75 million tests that are distributed throughout the world.
Being in the life science industry, Fujirebio adheres to a strict manufacturing process. Its processes are certified with compliance, reporting, and documentation requirements that are extensive and very detailed.
Fujirebio is an FDA-registered facility. We're 21 CFR compliant. We're also ISO 9001 and 13485 certified.
A major milestone was achieved at Fujirebio Diagnostics on July 1, 2013, when the manual paper-based process of periodically recording temperature readings for specific GMP-related equipment was officially replaced by a new computerized system. The solution is called the Electronic Initiative, and the first phase of the implementation is called the Equipment Monitoring System, or EMS.
Before the EMS system went in, I was spending about 15 or more hours manually reviewing the GMP packs. After the system, I went from hours to minutes. The benefits with the electronic signatures, with the review by exception, and not having to worry about missing papers or chart recorders, the system just made my life a whole lot easier.
The Electronic Initiative's electronic monitoring system was developed using Wonderware software with the help of ecosystem partner EZSoft and distributor Wonderware North.
The software that we used with the equipment monitoring system is the Wonderware system platform with the Wonderware workflow.
What Wonderware workflow software does is digitize and automate manual processes that include people, equipment, and systems based on a sophisticated business process management, or BPM, foundation standard.
Wonderware workflow provides us the ability to comply with 21 CFR Part 11 for electronic records and electronic signatures.
Perhaps the key business metric of the EMS is the time saved as a result of going paperless. This is especially important in a regulated industry.
The largest benefit of the equipment monitoring system is that we're logging automatically now rather than manually, so it's saving us about 1,100 man-hours per year.
In addition to the benefits that Fujirebio now gets from EMS, the real advantage is what it can do in the future.
At Fujirebio, we're looking to take advantage of our electronic systems. We installed the equipment monitoring system to electronically capture data from our temperature-controlled areas, but it also provides us with infrastructure for other electronic data capture projects as we go forward.
Because of the way the system is architected, Fujirebio now has the flexibility to expand to other types of applications, such as process automation, MES, operations improvement, and ERP integration. The scalability of the solution will sustain all the innovation and future projects.
Fujirebio is at the heart of manufacturing resurgence in the United States, and we're proud to be a part of that with Wonderware software. In regulated industries, it's not important just to create materials, but you have to capture how you made them as part of that. The data is as important as the products you are making.
Every day, thousands of people all over the world are living a better life because of the products we manufacture here at Fujirebio.
Indeed, every day, thousands of people from all over the world live a better life because of the things that are done at Fujirebio. With a little help from Wonderware.